So here we are, 2020 Super Duty, 7.3. It's an XLT with 4-wheel drive, F-250. We'll go around and look at the sticker in a second. Okay, let's take a look at the sticker. Ooh, cold start. I've been waiting over a year to see this truck.
Really?
Yeah. So, 2020 Super Duty 7.3.
Yeah.
There's all the options. $2,000 for the upcharge on the motor. So it's not a really fancy truck, XLT, just the way I like it. Alright, we're gonna go take it around the block for a quick test drive. Be right back. Nice! I bet you this one sounds good too. Alright, so we're gonna take it around the block. 2020 Super Duty. Get some exhaust sounds, some acceleration, and so on. Alright, so here we go. 7.3 startup. Alright.
Oh, you can put it down.
Yeah? Yeah, we can turn off the air. I want to hear the engine. That's good. So obviously the truck just started up, so we've got to get the temperatures up. Red line's just below 6,000. Alright, we're going to see. Okay, we're on the move. Just trying to get to a location where there's not a lot of traffic. That was a really big ditch. The truck took it like no problem. So we're cruising 50 miles an hour, almost 50. Look at the RPMs. Left? Alright. Still waiting for all the temperatures to come up. Just cruising for now. Alright, so here we go. We'll do 0 to 60. Brake torque it a little bit. Not bad for an 8,000-pound truck.
Yeah, I know.
Let's try a 40 roll. Left or right?
You want to go back right?
Yeah, let's go right. Alright, so now we're going to get the truck driving away. I want to hear what it sounds like. I'm asking a lot of my buddy here. He's like, this is the weirdest test drive I've ever been on. Sweet. Can't wait to hear this thing with exhaust. Look what I found in the parking lot over here. E92 M3, the competition package. Sweet. Alright, so we're back in. Even beating on it, we raised the fuel mileage. When I started, it was 5.7. Now it's 5.8. It's a lot of idle time, I'm sure. There we go, a little more rip. Once the truck knows that you want all of it, it takes a second to downshift, but then once it does, the power is there for sure. This engine should be in the F-150. That would be really, really nice. Alright, Dennis, so where can we find you?
My name is Dennis Rose. I work at Sawgrass Ford. Please come and see me. New trucks, new car. I make you a great deal.
And you've been here for 21 years,
21
right?
years, sir.
So he knows this stuff, guys.
Right over here, Stan.
Make it right?
Stand right, lane.
Okay. He's gonna let me in? Alright. Yeah, so guys, come check out Dennis Rose here at Sawgrass Ford in South Florida. He'll take care of you. Been here 21 years. He knows the game. Alright, guys. Let's test drive the new Super Duty XLT 4x4 with the 7.3.